Asenso tayo, Asenso Pinoy!
Business Tips! Business Tips!
Mr. JJ Atencio of 8990 Holdings and Deca Homes shares his business ideas to budding entrepreneurs.
So dun sa mga nakikinig sa inyo, Francis, o dun sa mga nanonood na ngayon kayo yung mga empleyado pa lang, huwag ho kayong mawalan ng pag-asa sapagkat magkakaroon din tayo ng panahon na pwede ho tayong kumbaga tumalon from being employed to being in business. There's a certain time for certain things. And sometimes, for some people, it's early in their life. They become businessmen. For some like me, later in life. But, you know, we just have to be patient.
Ano yung masasabi mong parang tipping point for you to decide na ito na, magninegosyo na ako?
Actually, you will feel it in your gut. One of the things that I realized kung bakit medyo at a late age in life, mas madaling maging negosyante is because habang nagtatrabaho ka dun sa industriya na paglilipatan mo bilang negosyante na, there comes a point in time na kilala ka na at marami ka na rin kilala sa industriya. So, napakadali nang gumawa ng negosyo. Wag ho tayong mainip. Wag ho nating, kumbaga madaliin yung paghinog. No? Kasi malaramdaman mo rin kung oras na